All right, everyone, welcome back. I'm teaching RJ how to identify a wheel bearing noise without using a stethoscope. So spin this wheel and spin it fast. No, stop. Spin it faster. All right, now go do the other side. All right, so now I'm going to show you how I do it. So hold the phone. Ready? So you're going to listen. You're going to spin it.
Oh, yeah.
Now come on the other side. Get the phone close to the back.
Oh, shit.
Let me see the phone. I'll hold the phone right here and I'm going to spin it. Ready? Get it close right there.
That's bad.
Hear the sound?